Digital mindset. The soft skill that's reshaping the future. The rise of the digital mindset. At home, at work. Where it shows up. Tools that build the mindset. Preparing for the future, one click at a time. This is a video on career soft skills, and this video is presented to you by Rajesh Menon. The rise of the digital mindset. In 2025, a digital mindset isn't just about using technology, it's about thinking digitally. It's the ability to embrace change, stay curious about emerging tools, and see technology as a partner in solving problems. Whether you're a leader navigating AI disruption or a student entering a hybrid workforce, cultivating a digital mindset is now as essential as emotional intelligence or adaptability. At home, at work. Where it shows up. In personal life, a digital mindset might look like using Notion to organize your goals, learning AI art tools like Midjourney, or exploring financial literacy through fintech apps. In professional settings, it's about adopting tools like Microsoft Teams, Trello, or ChatGPT to streamline collaboration, automate tasks, and make data-driven decisions. It's not about being a tech expert, it's about being open to learning and evolving. Tools that build the mindset. Want to strengthen your digital mindset? Start with tools that stretch your thinking. Use Miro for visual brainstorming. Explore Coursera or Pluralsight for upskilling. Try MindMeister for digital mapping. Reflect with journaling apps like Day One. These tools don't just boost productivity, they rewire how you approach challenges and opportunities. Preparing for the future, one click at a time. Developing a digital mindset takes time. Research suggests it can take 9+ months of intentional practice. But the payoff is exponential. As AI, quantum computing, and immersive tech reshape our world, those who blend curiosity with digital fluency will lead the way. The future belongs to those who don't just use tech, but think with it.